Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discussing about small dining rooms ideas to decorate your home so good your guests won't want to leave, will not want to leave, and these types of design very enjoyable design because a space dedicated to good food and great conversation, and the dining room is an essential part of any family home. But these are not too much big dining table, is a small dining table. If you are renovating your home or decorating your home or purchasing a new one, we have a few modern small dining table designs for you to rock the interiors. So dining room tables form an integral part of the house, and dining room tables with chairs just like the kitchen and the bedrooms as is the place where you entertain your guests and get together as a family to enjoy your meal together. What is beautiful about this modern small dining table and chairs is how the wooden table has been used to break the monotonous white. The industrial lamps add much needed light to the dining space. In keeping with the wooden table, the cutlery and the coasters also have a neutral tone. This is unbelievable designs, outstanding designs, and everyone like these types of small dining tables designs and ideas. Usually dining tables tends to be bright and well lit, but recently dark dining rooms have become quite popular, and so have dark dining tables. Give your guests the element of surprise when they are over at your place to have dinner with you. So that's why people very like these types of small dining table rooms designs and ideas, and people very enjoy these types of people wants to decorate our home like this, and very interesting and very great and fantastic designs are here. You can collect the ideas, all the designs so trending in 2023. So we hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, so please share this video, comment this video, and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.